Somewhere he just came out of nowhere.
Oh shit, they took out our mailbox.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I got it. Probably. Is the camera? Is your car blocking the camera? Probably.
Oh my fuck.
Amanda. Ed. You okay? Are you okay?
Are you okay, hon?
Amanda, watch out, watch out. He's trying to get out.
Hey!
Amanda, watch out, watch out. Get up, Amanda, come on, get up. Amanda, come on. Amanda. Amanda, he's trying to get out. Watch out. Amanda, move right away. Babe, move out of the way. That nigga's drunk as fuck, bro. Careful, cause that nigga. Hey, whose car is it? Move this car.
I can't move this car. My roommate's not.
Oh yeah,
not
you.
here.
Fuck.
He's not.
Hey, you know what? I just applied for your job.
Damn.
Yeah.
What the hell? He's drunk.
Oh, bro, he lucky he didn't hit my car with it. He took my mailbox though.
Yeah, he took that mailbox too. Yeah, I know. What the fuck is wrong with him? He better not. I got some real bad news right now. There's some drunk guy right here. Pine Hills.
Older black man, I think he's just in shock, to be honest. We're trying to tell him to get off the car and turn off the car, but he's refusing to. My name's Amanda. I have all the stuff on my camera too from my house. He threw the house keys out. He threw the car keys out. He's getting out. Yeah, I have a camera on my house. So I have the driveway doorbell.
Yeah, he messed this in all of.
Hey, you gonna need a evidence?
Okay.